Hello everyone, I'm Leena. Today I've come up with another idea to teach your children. It's a puzzle. You can say play with different type of way. So let's start. Here you can see find and circle the words. I have written this heading because I want the children follow this heading. If we don't write the heading, we don't give them any information what he or she is going to do, they will not understand. So we should instruct them. So let's start. It is the easiest way. First, what they have to do in one exercise, in one puzzle, find and circle means two things together they have to do. At this small stage, they have to understand what instruction they are listening and they are following. So let's start. You can see here any word I have given them. Here there is no limitations. I mean any word you can give them initially to understand the puzzle, that this is the format of puzzle and you can give them any word. So when they will learn this method, you can give another method that I'll show you. First I'll find, then I'll circle. So here, as I've already known about the answer. So first apple, so this is a fruit name. I'll circle it. Okay. And another word, this is talk. I've circled it. I found it and circle. Okay. This is kite. Okay. And this is kite, this is talk, and this is apple. Where was the another word? Can you find out? So for me this is play. Okay. So in this way you can give them the words, the idea of doing the puzzles. Any word which is easier for them and the vocabulary you think that they know, to check his or her level, on which level they are. Fine. So here I've got another. Now let's do the another puzzle. Let's I think this is search pet words. The pets they are having at home. I have chosen this exercise. There in the first exercise there was no limit of words, but here I have limited here. As you can see, search pet words. I have not written here find pet words. I didn't use circle here also. So just play with words. There in the first exercise they found the words and circle. Here search is the same meaning. So search pet words means which word? Pet words. The naming words of pets. Okay. So you can see here, as I've already known about the answer. So this is bird. Okay. Bird. Again this is dog. Okay, this is cat. Great. And slowly they will see. Now you can see parrot. थोड़ा और complicate कर दिया. Parrot. So these pet words you can find, and not only pet words, I can give you a small list where you can limit these words. Like you can put here, instead of pet words, like you can give the ocean animals, and you can also include WH words, color words, clothing words, animal words, any type of words or vocabulary you can include here. So I think this is very easy for you as a parent or teacher, or to teach your kids to know their level, that after learning all the category of the words, and you just when we teach them the whole mixture of the vocabulary, you can check their level, on which level they are. They understood like search, pat words. So next time give them action words too. So this is also good. So I've come up again with another activity. This is the activity I can show you here. Here I've cut some strips of these stickers of forms. So here, if you see that I've made number tree and shapes upside down. So with the alphabets I have shown you, with the words I have shown you, and another thing, I am going to teach you this number tree with the shapes upside down. So first of all, you can create any type of number, like this shape I have written. This shape I have made. These are circle, this triangle, and this square. So you can tell them that, like upside down means वो ऊपर है तो उसका नीचे वो match करेगा. No, not matchable. So अब वो match करेगा here. It will be, this is matchable. Okay. So ये उल्टा पुल्टा सेम है. ओके, अपसाइड डाउन. सो सर्कल उसने देखा, सर्कल मैच कर रहा है. ओके, अपसाइड डाउन, उल्टा पुल्टा सेम है. नाउ कम टू दिस. क्या ये उल्टा पुल्टा है? नो. अगर हम इसको ऐसे करें, सो देन इट बिकम्स अपसाइड डाउन. ये सेम नहीं है, ये उसका पॉइंट उधर है, उसका पॉइंट उधर है. सो द चाइल्ड विल कम टू नो how can the shapes be, और हम उसको कैसे स्ट्रक्चर कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसे उसका ब्रेन स्किल डेवलप होता है. So now I have not written the words here. I am going to write the number names. Like अब suppose इसमें 1 है. 1 I am going to write I am going to write 1 here. Like suppose जैसे ये मैंने स्टिकर लिया था, ये मैं एक हाथ से नहीं बना पा रही हूँ. So as you can see that अगर ये 1 है, so we'll make some stickers of colorful paper. I had no colorful paper here, so I'm using the simple one. मैंने इसको डेकोरेट किया, और whatever आप, it's up to you, your choice, your drawing, your skills, आप कैसे यूज करना चाहते हैं. So मैंने 1 को 1 से मैच कर दिया. या आप इसके नीचे ग्लू भी लगा सकते हैं, इसके नीचे एक स्टिकर आता है वो लगा सकते हैं, 1 साइडेड टेप यूज कर सकते हैं, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से आप मैच करवा सकते हैं. जैसे ये 1 था तो मैंने 1 को 1 के साथ मैच कर दिया, उसके ऊपर रख दिया, ग्लू लगा के पेस्ट कर दिया. यू कैन पेस्ट दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो. आप स्टिकर्स बना के उनके ऊपर ऐसे रख सकते हैं. So I hope this number tree and shapes upside down will be very easy for you. एक साथ दो exercise. Here I wanted to tell you I wanted to explain to you guys that children have to learn 2 things together. इट्स ऑल्सो नाइस, लाइक मेरा हमेशा मोटिव रहता है कि मैं कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करके आपकी नॉलेज को इन्हांस करूं, इससे मेरी भी नॉलेज इन्हांस होती है. सो आपके जो फीडबैक्स आते हैं, मेरे पास पर्सनली भी जो फीडबैक्स आते हैं मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, उसमें मैं खुद को इम्प्रूव भी करती हूँ फॉर यू. सो दिस इज अ इम्प्रूवमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज. थैंक यू. दोज हु आर न्यू सब्सक्राइबर, प्लीज subscribe and press the bell icon, and also up, and please don't forget to give your feedbacks. Please like and share too. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.